54 islands of the Chagos Archipelago fall within the marine protected area. But between all of them, they only comprise 24 square kilometers of land. Despite their small size, some can be walked around in less than a minute, these islands are very important for the seabirds of the region. Though the birds live and feed at sea, they need undisturbed land to lay their eggs and rear their chicks. Such places are almost non-existent around the heavily populated coastlines of the Indian Ocean. But here, the marine reserve protects vital nesting habitat for several species numbering hundreds of thousands of breeding pairs. Every space on the islands is used. Some burrow down, laying their eggs and raising their chicks beneath the surface. Others, like the brown booby, nest on the ground, hatching and raising their chicks just behind the shoreline. Many seabirds nest and roost in the shrubs alongside the shore, like these red-footed booby. But the best nesting habitat is amongst the hardwood trees that grow in the interior of the islands. Here, the sturdy branches provide a solid base for noddy terns, red-footed booby, and frigate birds to build their nests. Some of the islands do not support as many nesting birds as they could. This is because islands which were used as coconut plantations in the 19th and 20th centuries still have a proliferation of coconut trees instead of hardwoods. Rats were also introduced. They prevent ground nesting birds from settling and even harass birds in the trees, whilst coconut palm fronds are too unstable for birds to nest. An example of the effect this has is shown on neighbouring islands of the Great Chagos Bank. Sea Cow Island has large hardwood trees and is free of rats and supports thousands of seabirds, in marked contrast to Eagle Island that supports only a handful, despite being 5 times larger. Eagle is covered in coconut palms and infested with rodents that together deter all but the most inexperienced of birds. Efforts are underway to find the best way to address this. Until then, there are many other islands in the territory that remain ideal habitats. In fact, 10 have been declared globally important bird areas for their significance to some threatened species. Here, seabirds have a secure haven to continue thriving in the Indian Ocean.